Well, hello there, dearest friends and family. Welcome once more to Pancho's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm welcome to you. It is Mashke o'clock. Yes, we are making mash kenkey going down memory lane, and this is requested by Sense and Twins family. She has twins, is what she's telling me, and she's trying to boost her milk supply. And mash kenkey is believed to be able to do that. I have 2 bowls of kenkey here. This is fancy kenkey. I have my milk here and some sugar. The milk and sugar is definitely going to be according to how you want it. I'm just going to remove the wrapping from my kenkey and start blending. Very simple. Mashke is typically made with fancy kenkey, fancy dokuno, or intel dokuno, whichever way you call it. In the absence of that, you can use ga kenkey or nkran dokuno. It works just as good. Back in SS, we used to make it with a lot of ga kenkey because we ate more ga kenkey than fancy kenkey. The major difference between my mashke making back home and here is that I have to warm my kenkey before I make the mash kenkey, only because the kenkey here is refrigerated most of the time, and if you don't warm it first before you blend, it's going to end up being gritty. If it is not in the fridge, you don't need to do this. So I have my ice cold water here. It has some ice in there because I didn't have ice cold water in my fridge. So just a little ice cube. My blender will blend it anyway. And just let the water at least come a little bit above your kenkey. I'm going to cover and blend. When to add your milk and sugar is totally up to you whilst making your mash kenkey. You could add it to your kenkey and water and just blend everything right away, so when it's done blending it is ready. Or go this route that I took, pour it into a jug and then you add your milk and sugar. The milk is evaporated milk. That is normally what we would use to make mash kenkey. And I'm not going to be telling you how much milk or sugar you are going to put in your mash kenkey. It is according to how you like it. I've always liked my mashke and my soakings to have a lot of milk. I'm not those kind of people who would just have it without milk. You know, back in SS, we used to have trunk rooms, and that's where we had our provisions. They were open 2 or 3 times a week, and if I happen to run out of milk that I took and the trunk room is not open, I am not going to have any mashke or anything like that. The rich people's kids will probably still eat it, but not me. You see, and yes, sikanii, yonko, preman. So I chilled this in the fridge, and now it's ready to serve. This is how simple mashke is, and it's best enjoyed with some roasted groundnuts or peanuts, just like I have here. You can have it in a bowl and have your peanuts on top, or like what I'm doing now, just sip on it and munch on your peanuts as you go. And when I make it ahead, I pour them in my mason jars, cover and refrigerate, and take one when I need it. Very, very simple. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and share this video. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.